Hi, boys and girls. Today in social studies, we are going to be reading a biography. We're going to be reading a biography about a special person, and this special person is an author. But before we go on to Pebble Go and you learn about this special author, I wanted to review what a biography is. A biography is a non-fiction text. That means everything that you read in the biography is true. It really happened. It tells about a person's life, and it's written by someone else. Okay, so someone else did a lot of research about a person's life, and they are telling about the person's life. It may tell you when they're born, where they were born. It may tell you what their job was. It may tell you some of their accomplishments in their life. It'll tell you all of the special things about that person. Now, when you learn about a biography, it's important that you watch any videos that are available or any timelines or any other text features that are on Pebble Go so you can learn as many details as possible. We are going to be learning about an author, and his name is Tomie dePaola, and I wanted to show you all of the books that Tomie dePaola has written. Many of them may be familiar. Do you remember this book from yesterday's lesson? Actually, from today's lesson, the art lesson. And let's see, many of you also listened to the story, The Knight and the Dragon. A lot of you have listened to Merry Christmas, Dragonana. Maybe your teacher read that around Christmas time, or maybe Miss Tumbas read some of these books to you. Look how many books were written by Tomie dePaola. So let's go ahead and shoot over to Pebble Go, and I'll give you some instructions so that you're able to go on Pebble Go and research about Tomie dePaola by yourself. So when you click on Pebble Go, there's a whole section on biographies. Last week, we clicked on the athlete section, okay, and we learned about a famous gymnast. Today, we're going to click on the authors and artists tab, and then we're going to click on authors. Look how many authors are in this section. Dave Pilkey, a lot of you know him. He wrote the Dog Man books. Beverly Cleary, we just read The Mouse and the Motorcycle. Eric Carle, Dr. Seuss. Look at all of these famous authors. Mo Willems, he wrote all of the Elephant and Piggy books. Mr. Rogers, Roald Dahl. Here is who we're looking for, Tomie dePaola. So go ahead, whenever you go, you'll click on the very bottom, Tomie dePaola. Click on the yellow speaker. It will read each tab, then click on another tab. You guys are familiar with Pebble Go. So you'll click on each of the tabs, and then when you're finished, I want you to scroll down to the bottom, and I want you to click on the video, watch the video. Then when you're all done, you can scroll up, X out of the video, and then I want you to go down and click on the timeline. These are text features that are very important when you're learning about an author or anyone that you're reading a biography about, okay? So this is the timeline. This is when he was born, 1934, and it goes all the way over. So you can go ahead and look at that timeline and read all of the different facts about Tomie dePaola, and then head over and take the Google quiz. Okay, remember, after you're done taking the Google form quiz, you can read more about different authors. Here's an author, here's some articles that are authors that are similar to Tomie. Okay, so thank you, boys and girls, for listening. I hope you have a great time learning about Tomie dePaola, and I hope this encourages you to maybe read more books by Tomie dePaola. Have a great day.